the creamiest white sauce pasta you'll ever make. Ready in just 20 minutes. Hi everyone! I'm so happy you're here. Before we start cooking, let's wash our hands. Because great food always begins with good hygiene. Now let's make this creamy white sauce pasta together.
Let's gather our ingredients: pasta, butter, garlic, flour, warm milk, fresh vegetables, cheese, and a few simple seasonings. Bring plenty of water to a boil, add salt, then cook the pasta until perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta well and toss it with a little oil to keep it from sticking. Now let's make the creamy white sauce. Whisk the butter and flour together, then slowly add warm milk while stirring continuously. Add cheese, oregano, chili flakes, black pepper, and salt. Stir until the sauce is rich, smooth, and irresistibly creamy. Melt the butter, saute the garlic until fragrant, then add the vegetables and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the sautéed vegetables and the boiled pasta to the pan. Gently toss everything together until the pasta is perfectly coated in that rich, creamy sauce. Add the cooked pasta. Gently toss until every bite is coated in this rich, creamy white sauce. Here's my secret. Never stop whisking the sauce and always use warm milk. Here's my secret. Never stop whisking the sauce and always use warm milk. That's how you get a perfectly smooth, restaurant-style pasta every time. And just like that, our creamy white sauce pasta is ready to serve. Rich, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. If you loved this creamy pasta recipe, don't forget to like Sam's Cooking Ideas and tell me in the comments what you'd like me to cook next. See you in the next recipe.